obviously. Where else would we be on a Friday night? Look how cute these planters are. I love the vibe. And there's so much like spring stuff. Look at these. This is so cute. So much Easter stuff. Little baskets. I love the little baskets. Look at the little plants and planters for Easter and spring. So cute. These would be cute for like a coffee bar or just decor. So cute, guys. Little galvanized planter. And this one's white. So pretty. Ooh. Little mini plants. Anthropology. Really little but really cute. Different shapes, colors, sizes. I feel like this would be cute with like a single flower in it as decor. It's only $1 too. Really cute. It's a cute little decor piece. It says silver white winters that melt into spring. That's so cute. So cute. So I've heard a lot about these primers and I kind of want to try one. The putty primer. I mean, I don't really like the feeling of like my pores being filled, but I've heard how amazing it is. And these are $8. Yeah, I don't think I want to spend $8 on a product that I don't really want. Look at these new brushes from Sonia Kashuk. Oh my god, I just got rid of a bunch of brushes and this is making me low-key want to buy. Like, look how pretty for the price too. And they're rose gold. So pretty. I love that they're individually like packaged for sanitation purposes. So pretty. I think I'm gonna get this one. I think I'm also gonna get this like stippling one for foundation. Oh, so soft. I'm gonna get this sponge too, because I have this one from Sonia Kashuk and I really like it, but it's a little tough. So I'm gonna try this one, see if it's softer. It looks like it's a softer material. And it says they're only $5 and they're new here. So yeah, I'm excited to try. We have all the e.l.f. brushes. We have Makeup Geek. This is my favorite brush from e.l.f. by the way, the Ultimate Blending Brush. This is my favorite brush ever. I think ever, like of all time. They also have some really great sponges. Oh, this one's cute, this little one. But I'm already getting a sponge, so let's not get crazy. I also heard about this concealer being really amazing, but they're out of like all the shades. So can't try that, unfortunately. Like my current favorite blush brush or bronzer brush right now. This is what I've been using. I actually used it today to do my bronzer, so loving that brush, loving these. I'm gonna link all of my favorite makeup brushes. I did a blog post where I showed you guys all the brushes I use, and all of these are on that list, so I'll link that below. Oh god, this is the tool that I used to do my blowouts, guys. I'll link it below as well. I'll also link the video I did showing you how I use it. So yeah, it's what I use today. So this is actually a blowout that I did days ago. But yeah, that's what I use. This sulfate free rose water conditioner. I'm gonna try it. So I was gonna get the peony scent again because I love it, but they have rose now. Oh my god. So I picked up the rose, and they also have the hand soap, so I got the hand soap as well. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god, I'm so excited to be in the home section. I'm so excited. I don't need anything. I mean, I need some things, but we're gonna be controlled, guys. We're gonna be controlled. I love how clean and simple and bright everything is. Oh, so nice. Low-key in love. So pretty. I don't even know what the hell it is, but I like it. Vibing with the plants. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling the vibes. Look at all the baskets. I want them all. I don't need any of them, but I want them. There's like a basket tray over there. Like, what? I want that. I love, love, love these little baskets with the tassels and stuff. So cute. And I love the ones that have like a little bit of the black detailing. Loving this frame situation here. So pretty for 25 bucks. I love that. So I was actually thinking of putting like a planter in my living room. Something like this, like hanging. But I don't know. I don't know yet. I don't know, because right now I have a chandelier that we use for our wedding. And I love it, you know, because it's significant for us as well. But just to kind of go with a different vibe, a little bit more of a nature, organic vibe. I mean, this one's kind of nice. I'm trying to think how I'd feel about that hanging. And this one's nice, but I feel like it's kind of long. I mean, I could always return it if I didn't like it. See what my husband says when he comes back. I mean, for 15 bucks, I don't think it's bad. And like I said, I wouldn't have to worry about like watering a real plant that's hanging up there, you know? I also wanted to get a sweater material throw, but they only have the pillows. I wanted something like that for my basket in front of the fireplace. So let's see. Oh, over here. I think this is the one I was gonna get. I was looking online the other day, kind of making like a mental cart. This might be the one that I was looking at. So Antonio likes this one better. So we're gonna go with that one. Plus we already have a big plant that looks like this, so. And it's the same bottom, like the planter part is the same. Yeah. Oh my god, $5 candles. My favorite. Wait, which one's $5? Oh, okay. Thanks. No, I'm confused. Lidded jar, mini tin. Oh, the mini tin. Okay, these are $5. This planter kicked my other planter's ass. I mean, it's so pretty. It's way better for our aesthetic anyway. Oh my god, guys, they have it. They have it. There's one. Was this meant for me? This is exactly what I wanted. This little bar set. Is this not the cutest thing ever? Ugh, I feel like it's really gonna make my bar cart look super offish. You know? Like, how dope. It's so pretty. It's the only one. Let's see, is it the only one? It is. Oh my god. It was meant for me. It was meant for me. Also, I know I look crazy. I was crying. I read this really sad story about a little boy who dropped off his puppy at a shelter because his father was abusing the dog. And I broke down like sobbing. Now that I have a dog, I'm like so sensitive. But yeah, I can't wait to show you guys what I got. Some really cute stuff. So yeah, we're gonna eat. I got some real iced tea here, guys. Official tissue. Let's see. Oh, that's like real iced tea. Like legit brewed. I don't even think there's like sugar in it. It's like midnight right now, but I was like, I don't care, I'm gonna do a haul. So let's just jump into it. I showed you guys like most of this stuff in the shop with me, a portion of the video anyway, but let's just jump in because there's a few things I didn't show you. I did pick up the gold planter. So pretty. I cannot wait to take it out and see what it looks like. I didn't want to have to purchase like a whole separate plant to put in here, so they had these like faux plant bundles, and I thought this was a really good little combination. So these were from the Bullseye, and they were $3 for each little bundle, which I like a lot because like you could get similar greens at like Dollar Tree or something for $1, but then you would have to get so many to create such a full bundle. I mean, this right here is a lot for $9 since each bundle is $3, and they're pretty decent. Like obviously up close they don't look amazing, but from far in the planter I think they're gonna look really nice. And I got 3 different kinds, and all together I think it looks really pretty, kind of spring-like, a little natural vibe. So I'm going to like tie them together and then make my own little kind of like plant to put in the planter. So yeah, great deal. Next we have the little bar tools set. So this is what it looks like. It comes with 4 utensils. So cool. So you have like the little stir spoon, you have the bottle opener, you have the strainer. I believe this is like a shot measurer, right? Because this is, yeah, inside is 1/2 ounce and 1 ounce, and then inside of this one is 3/4 ounce and 2 ounces, or 1.5 ounces. So it's like a shot and then a double shot, which is freaking cool. But honestly, mostly this is for appearances, but it's so beautiful. I really had my eye on this, and I'm so happy I was able to get it for the price. Unbeatable. Also picked up a couple clothing items. Look how pretty these tones, so spring-like, right? So I've been really into like t-shirt bralettes lately. Like last summer and the summer before, I really got into wearing bralettes and like bandeau tops instead of bras. And then I was like, you know what, why am I wearing like uncomfortable push-up bras during the day just to run errands? Like, that's stupid. Why does society tell us we have to wear uncomfortable padded bras all the time? So now I'm really into these little like bralette t-shirt bras. I'm not sure what you call these. They're called bralettes basically, but these are like buttery material. They're so stretchy and so comfortable, so I always get like a large because they're really stretchy, and I'm very small like right here. And look at the stretch on that. Amazing. So comfortable, buttery soft. And I got some pajamas from my favorite brand, Stars Above. I got this really cute little mint green tank top. Again, so stretchy and comfortable. Like, look at that stretch. The shorts, look how cute these are. Aren't, like, this is just such the cutest little like spring summer design and color. It really reminds me of like the 90s. And then for the basket that we have in front of the fireplace, I really wanted a sweater woven throw blanket. So the one we have right now is like an ugly ivory, like furry kind of material, and it just looks so messy. I wanted something more chic and, I don't know, just more grown up, and I thought that the sweater print would just be so much nicer. When I say sweater, it literally has like that sweater kind of braided look. So I'm really excited to see that in the basket. I think it's really gonna elevate the look of the basket and the overall decor. Picked up the Rose Mrs. Meyers multi-surface cleaner, as well as the hand soap. I was gonna get the peony, but it smells really good. I'm so excited I got this. Like I told you guys in the shop with me. Also picked up this rose water Pantene sulfate free conditioner. The packaging, isn't that pretty? You know, we love anything with a rose packaging. And then I got the brushes from Sonia Kashuk, the sponge from Sonia Kashuk, as well as band-aids. And then we got food stuff and other things for the house, which aren't, you know, aren't glamorous. But I picked up the Sonia Kashuk eyeshadow brush. This one is the number 27, and I picked up the face stippling brush number 19. So yeah, that's it for my Target haul, guys. It's crazy how just a couple things really adds up at Target. But I hope you guys enjoyed this like shop with me haul vlog type of video. Let me know if you guys want more of these. I'm super open to doing them. I love you. Don't forget to stay glam, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one.